All right, so this is what it looks like before the air scoop installation. Now the only thing you got to remove in this case is this air duct right here. You'll probably have Torx bolts here, but mine stripped out, so I had to replace them for Phillips, which makes it better in my case. So you want to get both sides off first. Now there's ones that you could buy that bolt in, but these just drop right in. Well, they should drop right in. Fuck. No, that ain't it. Seem like these are too big. All right, I got it in. This is what it looks like. It's definitely a two-hand installation. You gotta bend it a little bit to get it in there. So let's see if I can one-hand this one. Just kind of gotta push in, get one side in and push. There you go. This one I was able to do one hand. So that's what it'll look like from the top view. And let's see what it looks like from the bottom. So, obviously with this on, you won't see the light coming through it. Shit. And in my case, you cannot even see them, like at all. And the main purpose of these is to redirect some of the cold air that you get from your grills up and into the air box, making it a more cold air intake style. But I do have plans to supercharge this motor, so in my case it will shoot air up, in, and at the supercharger, which sits right here. So in the future this will do me a little bit better. Okay, that's it, all done. You can't even see it, only if you're super close. That's why I like the black ones, because they're super low profile and you don't even see it at all, even if I'm like this. One thing I will note is that putting this back on, there's a lip underneath that catches the square that's there. You may want to cut that lip off, or you could finesse it in how I did, but it took a minute, and this clip on the air scoop broke. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Maybe you want to cut it or just cram it in there like I did. I'm probably gonna end up cutting the stock air scoop, the little lip that catches, off, because I'm gonna have to remove this again eventually to do the radiator, but that's a future video. But yeah, this is the finished look. Once again, can't even tell it's there.